Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can tag people on your Facebook stories. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Messenger app. Now I'm going to post a story here. At story, I'm going to select this one, and you can see the option here, the emoji option. It is called sticker option. Click here. Now you can see the option mentioned here. Just click here. All you have to do is type the username that you want to mention or tag in your post. I'm going to tag this person and adjust the tag option here and just click share now, and your story has been tagged to that person that you want to tag. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. Until then, take care and see you on next one.